Welcome to another episode of Travel with Toniann, and I have created this series called The Portland Experience, Hidden Gems and Off-Path Adventures, and we are in episode 3. Now, after experiencing Portland's hidden luxury at G-Jam, it's time to get back to the heart of what makes Portland truly special. Real Jamaican culture, real food, and real vibes. Now, next we are heading deep into Portland's riverside to find one of the most authentic Jamaican food spots.
Again for like the third time.
Yes, ma'am. Where fresh home-cooked meals await us at the river's edge. And after that, we're closing out the day with music, energy, and pure vinyl culture. You don't want to miss this one, so hit the button, subscribe, and keep exploring Portland's hidden gem.
Alright guys, we are heading to Miss Belinda's. The weather looks a little bit better than this morning. It was raining. Something about the weather in Portland at this time. But anyways, we are heading to Miss Belinda's and I'm super excited. I can't wait to just go and unwind. I've been to Miss Belinda's twice. This is my third time, and every time I go, I just enjoy it and I just love it. So Miss Belinda's is about a 40 minutes drive from G-Jam, so the driver is going to pick us up at 11, so we're going to reach just in time for lunch. The starting point is at Berrydale, very important to note, and then the end point is at Margaret's Bay Bridge, I believe it's called. So we arranged for a driver to get us there. I think the rate was 75 US or 80 US, I don't remember, 2 ways. So we're gonna go and just enjoy ourselves. I am super excited. Miss Belinda, her food is very good, and I can't wait to share with you my adventure. So see you in a few.
And we're off to Miss Belinda's. Now, one important thing I forgot to mention is that G-Jam can actually arrange for your visit to Miss Belinda's and any other excursions in Jamaica. Just reach out to them at the front desk. They have a WhatsApp number. You can call them and they will arrange everything from your transportation to your bookings for these excursions. They can do it. They actually work with bespoke excursions and they can get all your itinerary in. They're really great. They can actually even recommend different locations for you, and that's what they did. They were the ones who actually told me about Miss Belinda's when I first visited G-Jam about 3 years ago, and I'm forever grateful. You know, the staff at G-Jam, they're lovely, and without them I would not have known some of these hidden gems. So kudos to G-Jam. And as I said before, the starting point is at Berrydale. I will leave in the description the captain I use, or tour guide, or the captain of the raft. I will leave it in the description so you can WhatsApp him and give him a call. And his name is Captain Marquis, who I've been using for years, right? Really great guy. If you're going with a group, he will assist you in getting another captain, as they call them, to take you there. Now, one thing to note, the roads to get to Berrydale, some parts are bad, so just take your time, drive, roll down your windows, and enjoy the scenery. That's all I can say at this point.
So we are heading to Miss Belinda's and we have a little track here that you have to walk to get to the river. It's a bit slippery, I think. Let's hope I don't fall. This is it. So it's a bit, as you can see, a little rainy, but we're gonna try and make the most of it. The weather in Portland is like so crazy. 1 minute it's raining and then the next minute it's, so we'll see.
Now our Captain Mark, he was very friendly. He spoke to us. He gave us a little history about the Rio Grande River, which I really appreciate.
See you later.
All right.
Are you gonna sing to us?
Huh?
You going to sing? No singing?
No problem.
I'm joking.
You know, we just started, you know?
Yeah.
You know
I was making joke.
You know Captain Mark?
Yeah, man, I know Captain Mark.
Yeah, man. Not the first time, huh?
I won't be the last either.
Okay. So we are on an 8-mile trip, you know?
8-mile trip.
8-mile trip. I think it's a 4-hour tour or something.
Yeah.
I don't mean, no. I don't mean, man.
Want today to be the last?
No, man, today gonna be more than more.
Yeah?
Yes, man, what are you talking about?
Alright.
Yeah, man, and we're in a brand new raft. It's a 2025 model, you know?
Oh, okay, I got you.
It's a luxury raft.
It's a luxury. I feel the luxury. I feel it. Alright. Yeah?
Again and again.
Yes, this is my 3rd time.
Respect. And if I was not great captain, you would never use me again.
Yeah, exactly. Grande River.
Yeah, Rio Grande in Portland, Jamaica, in Berrydale. Yeah, it's a great day, you know?
Alright.
The sun is it's gone, but it's nice and cool. And I think this is what you need. Relaxing, chilling out, going down with Captain Mark. Take a look. 054. This is my license number.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Always.
You see it's clearing up now.
Thing, man. We're doing thing. And you know we have some Belinda.
Yeah, but of course we can't go and don't go Belindas.
No, man. We have our Lovers Lane too.
Lovers Lane?
Yeah, it's a very special place on the river.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a place that you have to do kiss and make a wish. You know?
Yeah?
Yeah, and then we stop at Belinda for lunch.
Mm.
Yeah, man. So on the other side you can see the banana, you know?
Okay. Now them.
It's going to the market.
Oh, okay.
Going to Kingston Market.
Okay. Banana, they look good.
Now here's a little history about the Rio Grande. Now it was originally used by banana farmers to transport their produce downstreams in the early 20th century. Over time it became popular for rafting, an activity that was introduced by Hollywood actor Errol Flynn, who lived in Jamaica and frequently enjoyed rafting on the Rio Grande. In fact, we do have a marina in Portland that is named after Errol Flynn.
A little bouncing.
A little bounce, okay. Woo!
Oh,
Ain't no bad.
professional, yeah?
Professional.
Deep here.
Yeah, we don't want to know. Wow. Wait, do that again. Wait, we need it for the video. What you say, deep?
Yeah, it's deep here.
Alright.
Now getting to Miss Belinda's takes about 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours sound long, but you won't even realize that the time has passed because you'll be so preoccupied with the lovely scenery around.
Yes.
Well, I needed to come over to that side.
No, man, you're going good, man. You're going good. Look at that. Look at that. Good job, Captain. Excellent job.
How long before we reach to Miss Belinda's?
Well, it's another hour to get there.
Another hour.
Yeah, it's another hour before we get to lunch.
Okay.
But so far, I think it's so good, right? It's so great. Going
Yeah,
down.
it's relaxing.
So it's a beautiful day, and you saved the best for last. The time that you came, it was only the rain was drizzling. But
Yeah.
now
But no, yeah, it's calm. I prefer this than the hot sun.
it's the time.
So we are rafting. Here we're like 1 hour away. So yeah, we're just enjoying the raft. It's cool and nice. There's no rain. Well, there was rain, so you know we get the aftermath. So it's nice and I'm enjoying it. It's cool and I love it. I can't wait to have Miss Belinda's lunch. So yeah, let's take it from there. Yeah, here's a deep. Wow.
See the color of the water?
Yeah. Oh, this is so pretty. This right here is so pretty.
That you came, it was only the rain was drizzling.
Yeah. But no, yeah, it's calm. I prefer this than the hot sun.
What's your time? Right time. And you can see it's so beautiful, it's so lush, you know?
Yeah.
So great.
Now on the journey here, you will see lovely scenes of the Rio Grande River, and I just love it. I've done this 3 times and every time I do it, it's just so amazing.
This is so pretty. I like that a while ago.
You like that corner?
There it says where the river. Captain Mark, why do they call these rapids?
Because anywhere the water go slow, it's sandy bottom. Anywhere the water go fast, lots of stone. So it's like a mountain. So the stone build a fast lane. That's why they call it a rapid.
Move too fast.
Yeah, it moves much faster than where it's sandy.
Oh, okay. Learned something new.
But it's natural make, you know, it's nothing fake, it's just natural.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Captain Mark, you said celebrities come here to Miss Belinda.
A lot of celebrities that came down this Rio Grande. And Captain Mark do take a lot of them.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I do take Sharon Stone
Wow.
and this river.
Yeah?
I take Mick Jagger.
What?
I take Sam Smith. I take Johnny Depp. I do take the Prime Minister from Barbados also.
The female.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember.
I take this Rihanna. But Rihanna came for a short tour, not the full tour. He flew down from Miss Belinda right here. And then we give him a tour around, you know? And I do take, trust me, I can't even remember so many celebrities that I take down this river. Shaggy loved this river. Shaggy came a lot down this river. And when he came, he come and party for the 6-7 hours. Take his music, and I get lots of free concerts on this river sometimes.
Yeah, nice.
But you know who I didn't know it was Sam Smith. I didn't know it was Sam Smith.
Yeah.
And this gentleman sing the whole river from start to finish. It's when I finish I know it was Sam.
Wow.
Yeah. But you know, Captain Mark is Captain Mark, and now today I got 2 lovely celebrity people that I've been taking
For years.
times, yeah. But now I take the gentleman, and trust me, you love it. As far as I can see, lots of smiles on face, and you're having a great time. And you know, now we're heading to famous Belinda just around the corner. The same corner I'm talking about, one corner, you know.
Yes.
And we're gonna get there like in a minute or two.
Ah.
And that's a yummy part of it, you know?
Yes.
That's the full story, and I'll come up a bump. You know?
All right, so speed it up, speed it up.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Respect. Belinda, coming up. Yeah, man. Man. We also do this in the night, you know.
Oh no, I'm not brave enough to do that.
Oh yeah, we do rafting in the night in the moonlight. That's a very special tour. That's a romantic tour.
Oh no, no. I'm not. No. I don't. I want to be able to see the water.
Okay. Yeah.
So tell us the price for that one if anyone's interested.
Well, the price is a double price. You know, we normally do rafting in the full moon.
Oh really? Why is that?
Because when we get the full moon, it's pretty bright going down the river. So
Okay.
it's almost looking like this at this moment.
Really?
Yes. And trust me, it's pretty great. We also do with a band sometimes, calypso bands.
Mm.
Yeah, we also go with a calypso. Then up here is that one. So I think we got a problem with the Lovers Lane today.
Oh man. I
think-
see it.
Yeah, I think
It's
we got
blocked.
Yeah, the
The
Lovers-
river.
Yeah, the river came down and take this here, but I think we're gonna try.
Okay.
We're gonna try to get through that. You know, you can just say, bend down low.
Yeah.
How low can you go? We're gonna go to there.
Yeah, I mean, I've been through it several times,
Yeah,
but
man.
yeah. Let's see. It won't drop on us our head.
No, man, not gonna tap on the head, man. Look at this. It's Captain Mark first, you know. Okay, I know I'm not gonna make nothing happen to my guests. Yoo-hoo. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is the Lovers Lane.
Yeah, that's it. So we're 2 minutes. Well, we're here at Belinda's, so we're gonna check it out. No one is there, so I can't wait. I'm starving. So yeah, we're gonna speak to Miss Belinda's. Hopefully, we can get a little chit chat with her. Hi, Miss Belinda. How are you? Nice to see you again for like the third time.
Yes, ma'am. Nice to see you again.
Yes.
Nice having you too.
Yeah, man. So tell me a little bit of what you have in the kitchen
All right.
today.
Today I prepared fried chicken,
Fried chicken.
fricassee chicken,
Yeah.
curry goat,
Curry goat.
fried fish,
Fried fish.
crayfish,
Crayfish.
steamed veggies,
That's all.
roasted
Oh,
breadfruit,
Lord.
fried dumplings, plantains, fried sweet plantains, and rice and peas.
Lord, Miss Belinda, what time you wake up? We go make all of them so big.
Ah, Jesus. We go about 5:30.
5:30 every morning.
Yep.
And you come off from
Yeah,
up
I
at the
leave
top.
home like sometimes 8 o'clock or 8:30.
Okay. Nice.
Yes.
And how long have you been doing this? Being on the river?
Long time, over 20 years.
And you look so young. Nobody give you the age. Nobody give you the
The
age.
walking.
The walking. And you know age one bit either, you know?
Yeah, so that's it.
So tell me like the celebrities that have walked through this area.
Generally, right now, me can't really remember them. Too much of them.
Too much of them.
Yes.
Locally,
A lot.
internationally.
Yeah, man, all for local stars, yes.
Yes. Okay. Nice.
I'm not going to say the biggest one. But
can't
because
say
I don't know what the biggest one.
Yeah, you can't say it. You can't. I know me, so you can't.
A whole heap of
A
them.
whole heap. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, G-Jam actually told
But
me
the
about
one
here.
that bring the most people here
is who?
Johnny Depp.
Oh,
Jack
really?
Sparrow.
Johnny Depp was
Jack-
there?
Hey, what at that time?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Lord. celebrity. You never get an autograph?
No. Johnny Depp is my friend now.
Bruh, I love it. Oh my god. Well, you know, we always going to support you because G-Jam told me about it, John, and you know, they always tell me about her. So they were the first one to tell me about you. So yes. So tell us what you have in the pot. We can.
All right, yeah, man, you can see the
yes. I could take a peek.
Left here.
Take a peek.
All right. You let me put this up on the fire.
Me?
Yeah, man, you must get this
me?
up.
Lord
Put
God,
that on the fire over there.
Oh, the pot I go.
Hold it.
Hold both.
Remember to ninja man. Hold it.
Lord God, me no want.
Over there.
Drop Miss Belinda's pot, you know, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah, I've learned. Take that over more. Put it over more.
Right,
there you go.
Jesus.
Straighten it. Straighten it. Bring it to you.
So?
Front way to you.
More so?
To you, front way, or bring it over.
Bring it over yourself?
Over to you. Lift it.
Lord.
Over. Now you put it in. You're putting it over there. You put it. Yeah.
Right there.
Closer to you. There you go. All right.
Miss Belinda trust me with her pot.
Well, I can't say I'll do something today. Okay.
So what we have here?
This one is the chicken fricassee.
Ooh, the chicken fricassee.
Yes, man. This one is the juicy chicken.
Lord,
I love this one more than the fried one.
so you never recommend that one to me?
Because you have your special way you like, you know.
Come
like
always looking fried chicken and
me
corn
like
food,
what me like and
gravy.
you like what you like.
That look good.
Me like when my meat them soft.
I like crispy.
I don't like fight with my food.
Oh, I like fried chicken. The crispy.
Me don't like fight with my food. Me like when my food soft and nice.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, love your son.
And right here, I have some crayfish and coconut milk.
What?
This one is
That look rich.
delicious stuff. This coconut juice is the real
coconut. No
real
preservatives.
native.
I like that. That's why we must support Miss
real
Belinda.
native
Support.
coconut, not the powder.
Look at them big crayfish
Yes,
there.
man. Yes, man.
Love it.
You see the claw? Look at the claw.
Oh Lord, yeah.
Yes.
Love that.
Yes. And right here, I have some rice and peas.
Rice and peas. We're cooking at the Dutchy pot.
Yep. With the coconut milk.
With the coconut
also.
milk.
Real coconut.
That looks very rich and nice. I love it.
Yes. Yeah. But as you can see, the breadfruit is gone.
Yes.
The plantain is gone.
So you have to come Miss Belinda very early, you know, guys. Call her and
you have to place your order before a day or two
A
or
day.
early in the morning before I leave home.
Okay, you hear that, guys?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. You might just turn up and you don't get no food.
You don't get no food at all. Okay.
No food.
All right, Miss Belindas, thank you so much for having me here. Thank you. All right.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And you have a happy and a safe one.
Thank you, my dear. And guys, please support Miss Belindas.
Okay.
The best.
All right.
All right.
Jamaican style.
The Jamaican style, the real Jamaican style.
Yes, real Jamaican.
All right, guys.
Bye for now, guys.
So we are at Miss Belinda's. Let me tell you something. Miss Belinda can cook some good, authentic Jamaican food. You'll find chicken, fish, crayfish, curry chicken, fried chicken, you name it, she has it, and it tastes so good. And it's a lot of food, a whole heap, as we'd call it in Jamaica. It's a lot of food, and it's so delicious and tasty, and it's consistent. Every time I've come here, her food never fails.
More for me.
And one thing I love about Miss Belinda is she's so pleasant, she's friendly. She just has that warm, welcoming personality. And you have to order your food before you reach Miss Belinda's. I forgot to mention that. Very important. You can WhatsApp her the order and she will have it prepared as the food is done to order.
Yeah, man.
One breadfruit, two breadfruit.
One breadfruit is fine.
Plantain, no breadfruit.
Cesar, you need to get any of this?
Breadfruit?
No breadfruit.
Okay. Veggies. I'll put a little veggies here. That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine for me.
Alright, this one. I'm going to take out here, snapper fish.
This is the curry gravy.
What kind of curry this must be?
Goat. A little more sauce?
Yeah.
You want any on the fish?
Yes.
That's fine?
That's fine.
Alright. Okay. Okay. Here you go.
Cute.
Okay.
And then me, no.
This
Mama did somebody want the
chicken.
yeah, the chicken, the fried chicken, leg and thigh. With curry gravy.
Alright.
Hey, me no man. I just have to go. They have to watch the
Oh yeah, me did. Oh yeah, me apple. Yeah, sorry. It's hard
No,
to
but no,
disconnect from
as
being
a
a content
content
creator. You know. You can't get little crayfish.
What, crayfish or crayfish with what? Crayfish?
I can get like crayfish and the gravy with it.
Want a big one or a small one?
You can give me a mix. It's not,
This
yeah.
size good?
Yeah, man. That. Yeah.
So I was here on assignment. So what you're seeing now is behind the scenes shoots of a small little trailer video that I was doing for the Jamaica Tourist Board. Big up to them. Thanks so much for sponsoring this entire trip. And big up to Cesar for all his creativity right here, just directing me and telling me what to do. You guys need to check him out. He's a really good videographer based in Jamaica. I was just doing my content thing, and yeah, the video turned out really, really good. I was really impressed.
Good. I'm about to dig in. We got the fried chicken, the crayfish with the curry gravy, breadfruit.
Yep.
Yes, I'm loving it. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good.
All right, guys, this is the food. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at my food. And I got some curry chicken. No, I got fried chicken, crayfish with curry gravy, and rice and peas with a piece of breadfruit and vegetables. And I can't wait to have this delicious food right now at Miss Belinda's. Yeah, I love her food, so we're gonna try it.
Alrighty, I'm about to dig in with my food. Let's go. Lord, Miss Belinda. Spicy. This tastes so good. Very nice.
So I got fried chicken with fish and crayfish. Now the fish was 3,300. The crayfish and the chicken mix was about $5,000, I think it was. And we just sat down, enjoyed ourselves, enjoyed the views, even though it wasn't sunny, but it was nice. And trust me, the food always, it was good.
Yes, sir.
So we're leaving. So we just left and we're heading back we're heading to Margaret's Bay, which is the end point. And we left about 4 o'clock. So we're just taking it slowly downstream. And it's beautiful, just listening to the water. The sun is about to set and it's just so amazing. Captain Mark, how long we have?
Another 35 minutes to go.
All right, another 35 minutes. Guys, this is so beautiful.
See this little duck here?
Oh,
That's the one that dived under the water.
let me see if I can see it. Oh, gotta zoom in. That little duck. Ah.
Go down that time. Looking for the fish.
All right, one went down.
Two of them go down. Go down together.
Looking for the.
One get up there. Two of them get up.
What do you call those duck? What do you call them?
Duck and tea. Yeah, duck and tea birds, yeah.
I don't like people eat them. People eat them. People eat them?
Yeah. It used to be a whole bunch of them, you know. One year gone by about what, 2023. 2023, the water was a bit down. More grass and all of that. That time we didn't get much rain. So the grass was like the weeds, seaweed started to grow across the river. So a bunch of them was here, and then you have young guys comes around and shoot them. Then but then just leave them wasting the water, so then that's how the population go down. But when they came here the first time, look at them.
Wow.
They make nests on the grass. Yeah, lay on the grass. Yeah. There are lots of big eggs. Yeah. They have the smaller one like chickens.
Yeah.
But I want to look and see if you see so many, like 10 of them. And then there are lots of eggs.
Wow.
You used to see along the eggs. Sometimes the eggs are here. See right here and look in the nest.
Wow. This is the old Margaret's Baby bridge. So it's no longer in use, but it was at one point. So they used to have traffic here. This is the new bridge. The GLP part. We're getting there.
Well, I hope you have a great time so far.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna stop right here.
Right here, we're going to come up?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, that's the end of the rafting and we are heading back. We started at Berrydale and we're at Margaret's Bay, so that's where we have ended our raft ride, and it was good. Miss Belinda was good. I highly
highly recommend you come to Miss Belinda's for beautiful, nice food and things. So yeah, so we're heading back to Gigi. See you soon. So one thing to note, if you start in Berrydale, you need to get a ride back to Margaret's Bay because that's where they stop. So you have to arrange. It's best if you get a ride. They do have persons who can take your car down if you are, okay with that. But yeah, just side information. So this is the old bridge I was telling you about. Alrighty guys, it has been a full day. I came from Miss Belinda's. I'm full, I'm tired, but I'm here to share with you more exciting stuff to do in Port Antonio. So we are going for dinner at the Bush Bar restaurant, which is a restaurant on site at GJAM. And then after that, we're going to Vinyl Sundays at Draper's, which is like 3 minutes from GJAM. So we're going to go there, check it out. I hear it's a hot spot. So if you're into vinyls and old school music, that's the place to be and check out. So follow me as we tour Portland. All right, see you soon.
No matter where you come from, in Vinyl Sunday, you are welcome. But next one is a request and dedicated to my fellow Jamaican people.
Stop that train, I wanna get on. My baby, she's leaving.
DJ style, ready?
Going out with another man. And my baby's mama cheating, so I gotta get on. But if you want my
Man, what an unforgettable day I had, from rafting on the river to a great meal at Miss Belinda's and ending the day with pure vinyl vibes at Vinyl Sunday. This journey through Portland has been nothing short of magical. But before we wrap things up, we have one more adventure left. In the final episode, we're heading to one of Portland's most beloved beaches. And of course, no Portland trip is complete without a stop for some authentic Jamaican chicken. You don't want to miss this grand finale. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and let's close out the Portland experience with a bang. See you guys in the next episode.